Welcome to this video tutorial in which we will deal with the most common questions related to the submissions of abstracts to the International Nursing Research Conference. This is because either there is some required field you have not included, or because you have exceeded the limit of characters allowed and your browser does not show the message because you have deactivated the merging messages pop-ups. Please activate them or send your abstracts with another browser. Probably you have already entered your details and these have already been saved. For accessing your details, please do it through the menu Personal area. In order to send more than one abstract, first, you have to close the session of the other abstract and start again choosing a different combination of username password. If you wish, you can use the same username, but you must choose a different password than before. Please send your abstracts anyway. You will be able to change the speaker later on. Remember that it must be one of the abstract's authors by sending an email to the Secretariat. Please bear in mind that the platform allows you to save the summary as many times as you want in order to modify it, but it will not be sent for evaluation until you press the Send Summary to Evaluation button.